and welcome to your client portal. I want to show you how to use this really quickly. This is going to be the welcome page. Whenever you come into your profile, this is going to be the page that you're going to see. Today, we're using Albertsons Window Cleaning as our demo. So thank you, Albertsons Window Cleaning, for being a valued customer of us. Over on the right-hand side, you're going to see any notifications that you may have. If you click on this, obviously you see he has a task that he needs to complete. If you click on this, it's going to take you right into your task. Right here's the directions on what we need him to do. If he needs to make comments, you can do so. Once a task is done, he can go ahead and say okay, and then it's going to mark it as completed, and it's not going to continue to remind him that he needs to do this task. If you go into invoices, any reports that you have, any subscriptions, any kind of things like that, projects, this is going to show you any projects, any tasks that are on the calendar, when they're coming up, when they're due, what's the timeline, what's the calendar. This is going to show you all the projects within your client portal. If you notice over here, you're going to see projects. So it's going to show you if you have multiple projects going on and what's going on. This one, we don't have nothing in here for it to really show right now for dates or times. Any type of agreement you have, you can view them here. Any files, he doesn't have files on his yet. This is the new feature that just came out. Some of you clients are utilizing it and others are not. Meetings, this is where you can schedule meetings based upon what it is that you're needing and your plan based upon what your flexibility is there. Files, I will note on here, you guys can not upload files into here. You can only access them if we've requested you to upload something, or for you to be able to view, you can go in here and look. Forms, he doesn't have any recently, but for 25, it does look like there was one here from 24. But a lot of newer clients, you're going to see that you have ones in here that you have filled out, like a brand voice guide or something of that nature. Any kind of new requests that you guys need to submit, whether it's a social media request, or you want us to put up a blog, whatever it is. Say, for instance, you want to make a hiring post. Please create a new hiring post for social. Now, you'll see that I tagged this to social media right here. In here, you can put whatever details you want. What's the position? What's it paying? What is the description? Any of that stuff that we need to put in your post, put it in there. If you have a certain picture you want us to upload with that, I don't care. Go to your downloads. Go to your pictures. Literally click it, open it. It's going to send it to us so we have that. Thanks. We appreciate it. And then you would hit submit. After you do that, you would then be able to comment. We would, if once it's closed, you would be notified that it is completed. You'll see here he has some closed tickets. So these are completed based upon what it was. And we closed out the tickets. Problem solved. You will be notified if we create a ticket and it's something that you need to do as well. A content planner. This one is going to show, what's his monthly content planner look like? What's the post look like? What's it say? What kind of, is it approved? Do we need to change something? He can make a comment right here and say, hey, can you change this? Can you change that? Whatever the case may be. And then he can also, this is us based upon what kind of post it is. But if he were to approve it, you go in and hit approve. If it needs revisions, click needs revisions. We're going to know that there's notes and comments in here so that it makes it easy to review. As far as being able to review what this photo looks like, this is something new we're trying. So obviously we're going to know now we need to make it bigger. I haven't looked at it on this end yet. Google Drive, this is going to take us to an external link where it's going to take you to a dedicated Google Drive folder that you have set up. You should have the link to this. You do need to be signed in to access it. You'll see sometimes there's photos up here, there's videos, whatever the case might be. This is how you access it. And it's just a quick link access to that profile that we have set up for you. SEO reports, this one is a little more in depth. I'm going to stop the video and I'm going to go more in depth into this one on the next video. Thanks.